Hello everyone, this is a new episode of Hearables. I'm sitting here with Bear, a good friend of mine. We met quite some years ago, and I've been following Bear on his journey to build the next level of luxury audio. I've never seen anything like this before. I'm quite baffled. The attention to detail is quite insane. So I'm sitting here with Bear, and I'm sitting here with products in my hands that are made of pure gold, pure silver. It's absolutely insane product. It's called T10. It features Bragi software.
It does.
It starts at $1,500, goes all the way up to plus 100K.
Yeah. Depending
on the customer. You just came back from the Middle East.
I did.
after showing this to the client. I'll just go through it and have some questions about what it is and what it's done. So first of all, it's a remarkable build. I'll take this. This is the most expensive one. I don't want to drop that on the floor.
I don't want to drop it either.
So first of all, it's not just a luxury item. It's also a sustainable product. So I'll show this product to you. Of course, I have to show this. This is really nice. So all of this is metal. You have the Klipsch T10s in here, and I notice kind of assembly techniques that I've only seen in watches. Can you tell me a bit about the materials and how you built this?
I can. To make something really, really small and still durable, we had to move to materials that are very, very precise, like ceramic. In this case, this is zirconia. It's the hardest man-made material outside of a diamond, I guess. But to the degree that diamonds are also zirconia, I think they're very similar. And it's a structural material. It's 0.6 millimeters thick, 0.6.
It's tiny.
And with plastics, you can't get this thin, right? And it would be flexible and it would fall apart. And it's always bothered me that earphone products wind up being uncomfortable to wear for an extended period of time, in large part because they're simply too big, and particularly for women, very much too big. And my goal has always been to build something that had all of the quality of the finest luxury earphone, but was also true wireless, that I'm not listening to cord thump, it's not banging around, it's not getting torn out of my ear. So in that quest to build it very, very small, of course, we wound up with items like the precision ceramic, a Swiss-turned metal audio tube, which houses a balanced armature. It's the very finest you can buy. In fact, it's co-patented with Klipsch. Right down to the screws. These are 1 millimeter diameter, 0.25 millimeter thread pitch, Swiss-turned screws. And the screw is important because it allows us to literally hold the entire product together. This took some clever engineering and some work and a lot of prototypes. But we hold the entire product together with just one screw. And by removing the screw, the product unfolds. And you can remove and exchange and replace the battery. You can remove and repair, exchange, upgrade the circuit board. You can even replace the speaker. And so as technology changes in the coming years, you're always able to upgrade it. We call it an evergreen product. So it's made of green materials, but it's also green because you can continue to upgrade, never throw away.
And it's sustainable because
Fully.
You keep it as is. One of the problems with luxury audio has been that it only lasts for a year or two before it becomes obsolete.
Right.
Now it doesn't.
That's correct.
That's really cool. So, taking this product, we have of course worked together to embed Bragi software on it. We're very proud that we've done so with you. And
given that it's the best software in the world for Hearables devices,
well, thank you.
We had no other choice.
So you'll see, even though my ear is big, this is tiny, and it also works with our voice controls. So I can say, hey, micro, play. And now I have music in my ears. So it's the hands-free.
You can answer a call by saying, accept.
Very cool.
You don't even have to say your micro.
Yeah.
Right? And of course, as you know, we're working on custom phrases together. Eventually, maybe customers will be able to create their own phrases. So we'll see what the future holds.
So on this product, This is actually built in Kansas City, United States.
It is.
By hand.
It is. Right now, there are 3 of us that are able to build these. So a lot of late nights in microscopes, but a fun process. We sometimes imagine ourselves like brain surgeons working on a microscope.
You just told me that you just hired someone coming from the jewelry industry.
We did.
Because of the fine mechanical capabilities.
Yeah, there's nothing about this product that's easy to automate. You can't build a big assembly line. Unfortunately, the techniques that are going into making this happen are really ancient techniques that come directly from the Swiss watch industry. And building this product by hand, 1 unit at a time in the United States, just felt like the right thing to do. And frankly, we couldn't imagine finding a resource natively that would have the combination of skill sets to take jewelry making and electronics, very fine pitch electronics manufacturing, and combine them together. So I think we're going to be very proud to be able to continue to say that the T10 product was designed, engineered, and manufactured, with the exception of the software, from Germany, entirely in the United States.
Very nice details. So I press the button and I can see the battery level on the right and left.
You can.
Awesome.
Yeah, and you can raise the doors and it'll tell you the battery levels of the individual buds and some other things.
And it charges wirelessly with a Qi charger.
It sure does. That's correct. Yeah, the Qi charger is a bit of a piece of art itself. You'll notice it's really similar in size to an Apple Watch face. Not much bigger than the charger you would use for a watch, in fact. But it's a very, very rapid charge. We can charge the charger in 2 hours. Importantly, for people on the go, not only will the earphones last 6.5 hours, but we're using a very special new battery that we spent a lot of time and energy developing. It will charge the battery in 30 minutes from 0 to full. In 20 minutes, it will charge to 85%. So really, very, very, very fast. The world's fastest battery charging technology has been built into this product.
Well, Bear, thank you for stopping by Munich.
Yeah, glad to come. It's been a couple of years. Too many Zoom calls, not enough FaceTime.
Yes, and we'll put this behind the safe again. It's a very expensive product.
Well, thank you for taking the time.
Thank you very much.